Hello, hello, hello. Today we're going to be unboxing the EK68 from EPOMAKER. 65% hot swappable mechanical keyboard. I got this on Amazon, got a super duper deal on it recently for $21, I believe. I don't think it's that price now, but I will drop a link in the description and I will also post how much it actually costs. But right off the bat, it feels a lot heavier than most 65% keyboards. And let's see what kind of accessories I have. We got some extra keycaps there. Some extra switches. I think these are the Flamingo switches. And as always, it comes with a cord. And there's a keycap holder in there too, and some instructions. But let's take a look. Feels super solid for, like I said, a 65%. Let's see here. Has different profile keycaps. I think these are CSA keycaps. Plastic. Reminds me a lot of a GMK 67. Here, for comparison purposes. That's the GMK, at least in terms of base, right? It almost looks exactly the same. I guess this one's a little thinner, but I mean, it looks almost identical. But let's see here, let's check the thickness. Ooh. I'm trying out a new camera here today, so I mean, they're basically the same. Huh. Maybe they are. I don't know. Anyways. So it looks like we got dedicated arrow keys. That's really nice. It sounds pretty good too. Feels pretty nice. Yeah, like I said, I think we paid like $22 for this, so